Mount Wellington. There's a little bit of snow. It's so windy. The car's like rocking just from the wind. So everyone's resorted back to their cars. Now Marcus's shot going up.
Not bit of line. Actually had a fair amount of grip on that.
Yeah, it was pretty easy compared to what I thought it was going to be.
You're looking at it, you go, fuck me.
Yeah, I was terrified.
Pretty cool. I think dilemma is there's not enough room for 10 cars.
I know. Yeah, that's a good line.
That's a good one. Yeah.
That's a good drive. That auto, you can just...
That auto just makes life better.
Yeah. Mr. NA.
I don't know how to room up there too. Probably.
Nah, you'll be right. Just start parking cars off.
Wide, yeah, we can get cars wide. NA?
33.
I'm a 53.
Yeah, you're not NA. Straight up.
Straight up the gut, straight up the gut.
Yeah.
I think that's kind of what I did, and I was like, yeah. Like, more, and I went to like get into it, and it was like, I've got having it today. 4 cylinders, all you get to the top, but that's why I stopped.
Yeah, I think I'll get Mr. C just put it in both of us.
Jeeps are massively underrated.
Yeah, I love them.
They just, because of the old models, they get a shit bag.
They get a shit
Yeah,
bag,
yeah.
You can decide those.
Fucking hell.
So much traction in that. That didn't slide once.
Need the lift and maybe some bash parts.
What are we having, Austin?
Just a couple of meat pies, mate.
Yeah, mate, get them out.
Better. Out in the country.
Oh,
Mitch is mad providing the goods.
Oh,
Look at
stop
that.
it. Look at the view.
Like a baller.
Oh. Tough. Just going up to Mount Sarah for camp tonight. Hopefully find some snow. There is already snow up there we can see. Should be good. On tour. Actually a pretty gnarly track. For a blue. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get shot again with the water. That's what I was scared of. Much better when you got no weight on the roof. He's gonna saturate me. I've got some fans across the river, I don't know. That's definitely the line. I don't know what I was thinking. Right.
Based off the rest of it, or are you doing?
Yeah.
It did say that this track was 85 minutes.
Did it?
Yeah.
Should be. Oh, my finger's in it.
I was gonna do the middle and then it looked worse.
It was worse. I did the middle. It was terrifying. Literally felt like I was going to flip into the water.
That's why I didn't stop. Am I ruining something?
Oh, he's going to splash us. 1000%. Just hold the winch.
Reckon I'll go now, Justin, or?
No. Into it. Get into it. So I've made it up, just. Jackson didn't. Kim just fucking ate shit. And now Marcus isn't going to make it. And now it's raining as well. And it's nearly 4 o'clock. It's going to be a long day. Yes, Mr. Dreadlocks! Fucking oath. Stay into it, Emma.
Stay left.
In the ruts, bro.
Good drive.
A trailer plug?
Next one.
He's revving that thing so hard.
What he's gonna come out the fucking bonnet?
Yep, go the other way. Yep, stay on that. Straighten up a bit. Yep, keep going.
I'm glad I went that left side though. Yeah. It made it a little easier.
Yeah!
I'm buying a Jeep.
How do you feel? A fucking Jeep has just out fucking driven you
Oh yeah, I think it's...
Imagine he gets bogged. He's got to be careful doing that. It's got so much power, it just slides. Yep, branch is all cleared. Making way. Turn into a little bit of a night run. Everyone's a bit far behind, but it's all good. Snow's pretty deep. First one through here. Not sure if we're the first through this weekend, but it's pretty exciting. Hopefully we get the hut. Let's get to the top of this mountain. Well, it doesn't give up, does it? Pretty deep snow. I'm bogged. Look at how deep it is. Jesus. I made as much of an effort as I could getting up, but yeah, that's where she parks. We'll try and winch off that tree over there. Yeah. The hut, I reckon I can walk up there. We are that close. Snow is so deep, which is sick. We're up to the top here, and I'm there. Unreal. So I've had to do a reposition. I'm up there to my winch extension. Made it halfway up, but I was using that tree next to my car. It wasn't really doing me much more favors anymore. So, got that across, nearly there. The others still aren't here. Bit of a concern. I didn't struggle on anything else, so I thought they'd be right, but clearly not. Oh, let's get me up this last 3 meters and wait for the others. Set up a fire. We're literally camping right there. We're up. Yeah, literally where that snowball is. Pretty sure that's where camp is. So, yeah, at least I will have entertainment for when everyone else gets here. So, yeah. Probably won't film much tonight, but this is what it's going to look like for everyone. There's 7 of us or 8 of us, so it's going to be interesting. Track's over here. Just wait, give it a red hot crack. She's coming, it won't feel nice. This is literally camp up there. Keep going, we got the rope. Keep going, keep going. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's a fucking
Make it roar louder. I want everything. Yep, keep going. Just stay on it. You'll climb. You'll crawl. Trust. Rip TD! Austin. Yeah, TD! Snowing at camp.
I've been angry and lonesome, but there really ain't no excuse.
Yep, heated blanket, snow, Keno.
But I still take a chance at that old
Dinner.
There's snow in my car. How am I going to work this out? Look at it all.
That's crazy. Oh. What would you want to do?
No.
Dylan? On.
Mitch, are you going to cook as good dinner tonight as you did last night, mate? Because last night was the best.
I always cook the best though. Because I cook them as well. What were you working up to?
Yeah.
Beautiful snowing right now.
I love my
See a cold start. Get this snow off the window. Pretty cool. It's proper snowing. In deep. Pretty cool. TD is not running nicely. Engine bay goals though. Yeah guys, so we're just here at the airport. Been to the MT and back pretty much. Yep, TDs.
I'm sure one day I'll pay for my sins.
I'm filming, what the fuck?